Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, base enclosure, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal: remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display panel. Remove the left display panel hinge from its position next to the display panel and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement: place the left display panel hinge into position next to the display panel. Replace the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display panel. The right display panel hinge is replaced in the same manner.